You turn up the TV?
Turn up?
Turn it up.
Off?
Turn it up.
Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain over the Franklin and Palisades burn scars, which will become even heavier at 9 a.m. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 1.5 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will result in debris flow moving through the areas near the Franklin and Palisades burn scars. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard: life-threatening debris flows in and around the Franklin and Palisades burn scars. Source: radar. Impact: mud, rock, and debris flows will impact drainages, roads, and residences in and directly below the burn area. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Eastern Malibu, Encino, Topanga State Park, Pacific Palisades, Brentwood, Topanga Canyon Road through the Santa Monica Mountains, Mandeville Canyon and Malibu Canyon, and Los Virgenes Road through the Santa Monica Mountains. This is a life-threatening situation. Heavy rainfall will cause extensive and severe flash flooding of creeks, streams, and ditches in the Franklin and Palisades burn scars. Severe debris flows can also be anticipated across roads. Roads and driveways may be washed away in places. If you encounter flood waters, climb to safety.
Oh my freaking god.